Native Ads Masterclass Review. Native Ads Masterclass is a course created by James Van Elswyk in association with iStack Training. The course is designed to be an all-in-one resource for marketers interested in running Facebook ads. The material ranges from beginner level to advanced, meaning there is something to learn for everyone. About James Van Elswyk. James Van Elswyk is a digital marketer that specializes in native advertising. Recently, he's become more well-known through his Purple Knowledge Labs Facebook group, which serves as a community for CPA marketers, primarily focused on native advertising. James Van Elswyk also runs a lead generation company and a related affiliate program for marketers that specialize in lead generation. It could be argued that Van Elswyk is one of the most recognized marketers in the world of native advertising. He's one of the first marketers I started following as I expanded from traditional paid media channels like Facebook and Google to native advertising channels like Taboola and Outbrain. In his course, James Van Elswyk walks students through his entire process and recommends best practices for native advertisers. Native Ads Masterclass Curriculum. The Native Ads Masterclass course is designed to be a comprehensive course that covers everything marketers need to know about native advertising. The course also expands into general topics related to affiliate marketing, such as affiliate offer selection, budget management, and tracking. There are 12 separate modules in this course. Native Ads Masterclass course quality. Overall, the Native Ads Masterclass course is produced very well. iStack Training is known for putting out high-quality courses that are well-planned and well-recorded. This course features professional recordings of James Van Elswyk backed by clean slides and screen share walkthroughs when necessary. Is the course worth the money? The answer to this question is similar to the previous one. To summarize, it depends. If you have $5,000 to your name, spending $1,497 on a course can be costly. You may be better off using cheaper or free resources. This course is worth the money for anyone who expects to spend a lot of money on native advertising. $1,497 seems steep until you realize how fast you can lose money on campaigns by not knowing what you're doing. A simple lesson can save you thousands of dollars, and this course is loaded with actionable insights that will undoubtedly improve the quality of your native advertising campaigns. James Van Elswyk runs a successful company that spends millions of dollars on native ad placements. If you're going to learn about native advertising, learn from the best. This course is highly recommended to anyone who wants to learn more about native advertising.